I might get my shit twisted like y'all, bro.
Yeah, my cousin. My cousin not doing it.
You do it?
Nah, it's her sister. She did his hair and my hair.
Yeah.
He used to have.
I got a lot of hair.
Cut it?
Nah, it's still long as shit.
What happened to my water bottle?
Yeah, my cousin. She be mobile too.
What happened to my water bottle?
Here.
Oh, did we leave it?
You got a water?
I thought I put it in here.
Is that in your car?
I got a water right here.
We making content, man. We making content all summer, bro.
Yes, sir.
We're outside, all of us, bro.
Yes, sir.
Good memories. Good memories.
I gotta get outside more.
Bro.
Damn, it kind of drinking phase right now.
For real? I don't know where that bitch went, Brody.
Man, I'm getting grown. Can't smoke all the time. Can't smoke in every setting.
You can't smoke in every setting? Why not?
Yeah,
Who said that?
John was talking to me about that because I'm not like a...
But John's a drinker, bro.
But
say
John
this
was
for
just
we
talking
get there.
about like,
I'm gonna say
oh, I
this for we get
can't...
there.
Yeah.
John be saying shit like, oh, I can't be like, high all the time.
Why can't you?
I'm like I'm more social, but when I'm just sober, I'm like more me, like just more like...
Why can't you be high all the time, though?
That's what I'm saying. But John...
I be high. I be high all the time. Nigga, John be high all the time. What is he talking about? Nigga be high all the fucking time. Oh, that's why it fucking struck like that. It had funnel in it.
Nah, you had naked. I had naked.
Really?
Yeah, my shit hit like that. I ain't gonna lie. My mom just got
It just hits like that because it's
got
yeah.
dash catcher.
Yeah.
You need some ice in that bitch. Nah, I feel good.
Just don't hit it.
I'm cool. I just need some food, bro. But like I'll wait to eat till we get out there type shit. I really just need a Red Bull, bro. All I need, bro. Where Jai?
John said he gonna meet us there.
Oh, all right. So it's just us right now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, bet. Hey, we're cruising.
Yeah, we just ride.
We're cruising. I ain't cutting up, okay? I'm not cutting up, but we already left Mackay. These niggas just can't drive,
He
bro.
gonna meet us there, man. He gonna meet us there.
Like fucking big ass Mustang or something. And then the steering wheel too, but this shit is like peeling off. Throwing me off. I had the OC what's it called? Put tape on this shit. Cause this shit was like the sun had fucked it up and it was coming off on my hands. So I had to put electrical tape on it.
Damn, I can see. Yeah, it's kind of hard though.
Yeah, it's alright.
Little rap look.
This nigga is fake cutting up behind like
Oh, right. He's like on ass, bro.
yeah, he's fake. Like, I'm gonna crush him. Get off me. I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. Get off my back. Sit your ass behind that van, nigga. You hear me? Behind that fucking van. So what is it? What's it about to be like a little nigga swinging or what?
Nigga swinging for real.
I hope they have like a food truck out there. Like they should, right?
I don't think so, bro.
No? They don't be having that shit out there? Fuck.
There's like a, what was it? Like a Taco Bell that we went to like around the way? Or like,
Ah.
yeah.
I'm gonna get some food right in the area. Something quick. Is this the edge shit?
entrance.
Like shit. You wanna go in or drive through? What do you drive through? What you trying to get?
Classic meal. Go ahead, nigga. You finally caught up?
Extra.
Finally caught up? I'm like,
Nigga said we not cutting up. Shut your ass up. I can't judge you.
Can I get some barbecue sauce in that
What the
too?
fuck is this? What you get?
Slim chickens. A classic meal.
Classic bun?
Classic meal.
And that's it.
Do you see classic bun on there? Classic meal.
Tenders.
I just should
That's
get
it?
extra.
That's it?
Sure.
Someone got is a classic meal with buffalo liver sauce and medium punch. The chicken and waffle meal with a medium punch and a white. With a honey barbecue liver sauce and an extra syrup.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so it's 23.32. You can put them on.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hell yeah. Slim chickens.
This your shit. Hell yeah. I got you. Okay, then y'all better have my fucking shit, boy. What you get?
The 4 tenders.
No, what sauce you get though?
The buffalo sauce.
Was it in there? Was there sauce in there? I might be tweaking. There wasn't no fucking sauce in here. What these bitch ass niggas, see what I'm saying, bro? That's why I'm check that shit. I'm walking up to the window. I'm gonna walk up. What you get?
The classic meal.
Nah, I'm saying what
Buffalo
sauce? Buffalo sauce. Excuse me.
At the bottom of your receipt.
We ain't getting no buffalo sauce.
I feel like I know you. Buffalo.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait,
What's up? How you been?
come here.
My dog. What's up?
Can I guess your name? Because I
Q.
know I know you.
It's Q. You remember
Can I
me?
say it? Can I get to it? Let me guess. It was gonna come out, but I still want to guess.
What you doing out here? You going to the... Nah, we might go over there. You trying to eat right here?
You get some shit?
Nigga, let's eat at the Raceway.
Alright, can y'all wait for me though? Like, I don't know where y'all gonna be at.
Did you get your food?
They better come outside.
Alright.
So I park right there, and then when I get my food, we gonna leave. Don't just no random bitch.
Oh, you didn't get your...
You said what?
It's a light skin ass nigga. Just no random ass bitches. Like, yo, you know that
Fool?
bitch behind the bar.
Word.
Yeah. She was like, yo, you in there real quick? Yo, I might go take a picture.
Break your shit. I could break my axles in one launch, bro. That's why I don't do this shit off a dig, bro. If I do a hard pull on a bumpy road, oh fuck my shit up.
You ever did a dig, like a hard dig, like a hard pull? You scared to?
I'm gonna fuck up my transmission, bro. Can't handle all that fucking torque. I've never done the wide open throttle off start. You have to ease into it.
I figured.
If I just, it's gonna be like, it's gonna over rev like shit, bro. Because, bro, the first gear is like so much torque, bro. It's so much torque, bro. It's too much. Even when it was stock, that was my hardest real.
So that how it is with like turbo cars and shit.
It just depends on your car, bro. Not all turbo cars have a lot of torque, bro. Not all of them.
But a lot of turbo cars I've seen though.
Hop in the cam, bro. Hop in the cam.
Boost 360, right? That's probably.
Oh, you can see it. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Ah, that shit's sweet.
We at the Capitol Raceway in Crofton, Maryland right now. 295 gang hosting a little meet. We got the drag. We got the drifting on behind my man's right here, bruh. Shit ready to be too sweet.
Yes, sir. We outside.
We outside. So let's see some.
The lights right now.
God.
Check them out.
Can you pop a wheelie? Pop a Willie, my boy. You think he could have popped a Willie for me? You think he could have popped a Willie for me?
Nah, long ass bikes.
You do it.
But we trying to see some shit swing, bro?
Yeah, let's go over there.
Let's fucking go.
Sound
Oh. He scared the shit out of me, bro.
My fucking gun is full.
So what?
All my punishment is full.
Damn. Controlling that shit. Ah! Alright, can't switch down. Can't switch down.
I thought he was about to start busting that bitch.
Hot the soldier, hot the line. That Nika.
Alright, niggas about to try whiskey from Japan for the first time.
The black.
My man's Manye got it from
Nika
his trip with his girl to Japan for a week.
Got a nigga drinking the Nika.
Come on, let's get a nice clip of it. Oh nah, we don't know what that says.
Nika, I'm with my brother, man.
I came here with you.
Why didn't you get the bar?
Flecking wristbands.
We outside though.
Damn, bro, they say that nigga car broke, y'all. Damn, they say that nigga car
That nigga said, let me get the word. He's drinking that shit.
That's good fumes.
Crazy. What
Eat
a
that.
crazy man.
No word. That was amazing. Damn, bro. I hope I caught that shit. I hope I caught that shit.
He said, fuck
I hope I caught that shit, bro.
Nigga
I
said,
would, but I got that shit.
Stop the car.
What? That shit was finished. Keep going. We gonna keep going. Keep it lit. Keep it lit. That's how you crack that bitch.
that nigga's crazy.
Come here. Come here. I want to be bowling team 2. I want to be bowling team 2. Oh. Come here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Right here. Right here. I can smack that bitch. I can smack that bitch. Again.
working that shit though. Give it up, guys, for weight courses.
They did that pretty decent job.
Real tandem. Real tandem. Oh, they both fucked up on that corner. Right. They both fucked
Don't
up
jinx
on
it, don't jinx it, bro.
That's that motherfucker. That's how you really.
Yeah, he on the break.
No, get off the break. Off the break.
See that? V8 tag.
Both.
No,
Too much.
Hit get off the brake,
Do you think he can see you?
Of course.
He's looking right at us.
That bitch under control though.
Go. He don't need to brake, bro.
He's on the brake like shit.
He can let go of that brake. He good.
Jimmy got. Say sense. We live. And then there was live.
What he doing? He was walking up that thing. Oh, he was wearing some tires. Oh, he just.
Why you running?
That was looking hard. Nice. I don't think he don't go wide.
They saying he not nice. We gonna see.
Holding it, what I tell you.
Oh my god.
Stay sideways.
Oh
if he-
hell no.
So, do you think he bought the car like that, or he just finished learning how to drive? Whoa! See?
No way. Soggy shit. Damn.
Hey, toss toss the keys.
Oh, that bitch might not turn on. Oh, that shit ain't gonna turn on, nigga. Toss the keys.
So quiet.
Can't say nothing.
Nothing. Not even a pin drop.
No.
Damn. That
Oh,
bitch
he
popping
went
like a bug.
across the stadium.
He broke down over there. He broke it, bro. That's what I'm saying. Hammered it.
No way.
Overheated that bitch. I guarantee you overheated it. Fat out. It could be the diff too.
The diff too, right,
It
man?
could be the diff too, yeah. Depending on the use. Also the setup though. So it's definitely.
It's shooting.
That's how you fucking swing that shit. You good, bro? You good, brother?
That shit hard as fuck. That shit was hard as fuck.
No, your shit clean.
That shit hard
Yeah,
as
send me
fuck.
that shit, bro. That shit, the video with that shit.
I be getting angles, bro. Look at this shit.
Way better than I like this better in the streets. I don't gotta run anywhere.
Stab.
When it should be packed.
I just want to be close.
When it be packed.
He's trying to.
Niggas suck, I ain't gonna lie. This ass.
Are they ass? They soggy?
Yeah, like what the fuck is this?
That was sweet. That was sweet. That was sweet.
You need a that nigga got an intro? What the fuck? Nigga got an intro? Hell
Right here, right here.
Damn, that shit.
You feel that?
He brought that shit all the way.
Oh my god, oh my god.
You smell that? That's tire smell.
Okay, he was good.
Yeah, I'm saying, bro. He's talking all that shit. Yeah, that shit all in your mouth, huh? That shit all in your mouth.
Dad said no. You never know if the car's gonna roll back.
bro. I lost him in the smoke, bro. Oh, they about to make a dust storm, nigga. It's a fucking tornado in this bitch. Hey.
That shit sounds crazy.
Yes, nigga.
That shit is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. All over me, son. Oh, fuck. They're going dumb right now. They're going dumb. I feel like I'm chewing on tires, nigga.
Shit lit, ain't it?
That's good smoke. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that.
These niggas dancing, man. Q.
But how much tires do they have, bro? What is going on, bro? These niggas been going crazy for like 10 minutes, bro. Bro, that shit is in my eye and all type of shit, bro.
It was all in my mouth and all that shit, bro.
Oh, bro, big pause on that, bro. Oh, bro.
I knew niggas was about to say some shit.
You can't. I got the mic here too. There you heard that.
That's why I said,
You heard that shit.
Nigga, that's how them niggas come through bowling. Nigga, they come through bowling, nigga.
Nigga said Pennsylvania thing. What did he drop?
Oh my gosh. Yeah! Get that boy! Get that boy!
Get him! Go get him! Go get him!
Go! Get him! Get him! Oh! Get that nigga!
He going right for him.
Get him!
He going right for him.
Yeah!
Hit his shit. Hit his shit. He got a he moving quick.
All right, shit.
Get him! Get that nigga!
Right with it, bro. He trying to get the roll back on his ass.
Come on, hit his ass.
He do. Watch him get back in the race. Fucked up.
He's
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Yo! These niggas is wildin'.
Wireless Slim.
Oh, he gonna hit him.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh my god, he just cracked him!
Oh, it's over.
He's gonna crack him!
He's crushing him.
He's gonna crack him!
Fuck that rap! Yo,
Yo,
tight.
he just cracked the shit out of his car, bro. Oh my mama. Yo, what the
Bro, I knew it
fuck?
was coming, bro. He was about to get his one back.
I was like, yeah, he
was gonna get his one back.
You got the mic hooked up to you.
Emmy on the mat.
Oh yeah, bro.
That nigga straight got his shit.
That was
Straight got his one back.
Nigga, that was funny as
last week
shit.
was his truck. Now his
Bro, I got all that shit on video.
That nigga, he was on again.
I got all that shit on video. Snap. Maryland.
It's a cat.
Yeah, you know he has it. He has it.
Cat.
He has it in it. Yeah, he swapped it.
Why do they always do it? It's always the same. The charger. They got stolen.
You got out of first gear.
Bro, oh my gosh.
Nah, that was OD. Nah, fool, that was OD. I ain't gonna lie.
There's no topping that one.
That was a good sequence, bro.
This shit stuck. He broke the transmission.
No way.
He mad as shit.
Yeah.
It's a strike. It's a strike. I have legal plates on it. Legal plates.
Stole the motor.
Oh.
That's what they be doing now.
Yeah, exactly.
He got the weld on a little bit, you know, but he know what he's doing.
He looking at y'all first.
What does that shit say? Wanna see a magic trick? That's what it says. Wanna see a magic trick? It's over. It's all over us.
Wait, nigga, I gotta go back to Philly, man. Bro, you down to travel, bro? We gotta go to legal business.
What's up, nigga? I'm down to travel. What's up?
What we talking about? Like where? North, south?
Yes.
You know I am. I go down there.
Can you see that?
No, I know. I can hear it.
But, yeah. I wanna touch it. I wanna
feel like hungry, really reach out and
yeah, touch that bitch.
you might need to move that cone, bro, so they can come a little bit closer.
Hey.
Move the cone. With that cone, you hear me? With that cone.
Nigga don't wanna get hit. You don't wanna get
I
hit.
had to move that cone real fast.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, Ham. Come here, man. Marvin. We Marvin. Oh my God.
Oh, hell no. What the fuck?
How to feel that? Do that. That nigga ain't no deal.
right fucking in front of us. Coming up. That nigga look like me on Car X.
Shut up, nigga.